YouTube, welcome back to another video. So in this video, the M4 is finally getting the oil change done. So it's been throwing me these codes. Oh, it's been due since 1,400 miles, and that doesn't sound good. Running your M4 1,400 miles with zero oil left. Well, there is oil, but you know I have to change it. But in this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to AutoZone in a bit, and then we're just gonna go get the oil change done. But the problem, I can't even do it myself because I gave the jack to one of my friends and they're not picking up my phone. So our only solution is to head to the shop and then they gonna do it. But eventually I'm gonna have my own shop. I wanna own a shop so bad so I can modify all these cars that I'm gonna get in the future. But in the meantime, excuse me, let's head there. It's gonna be banger. These are the ones, I finally found the big one because it wasn't even on here on the website. Because I thought I was gonna get hella of these little ones, but I believe this car takes 7 quarts, so 5, boom, that's 7. And I still need to get a new oil filter, which I'm probably gonna be looking for right now. Yeah, so I think for now we're just gonna we're trying to look for oil filters. I'm trying to find them, but I mean, I'll find them. I think they might be in here actually. Oh, never mind, not here. So let me grab all this stuff and I'll catch you guys once we're done checking out everything. We're out of here. So we're finally out. I got all these 3. Turns out there's like a deal going on and they just gave me this for free. And then also I got my oil filter in here. Let's hope this one fits on my car. I don't know if I'm gonna put it, but I mean, might as well if it does. We just got to the oil spot change. It's called that right there. I'm not sponsored, but I want to get sponsored so I can get free oil changes. But I just find out that this is like one of the worst brands that you can get. I don't know why they gave me it for no reason, but I did have the original oil that I always use, so that's good. I'm probably gonna go return these 2 right here, the filter, and I'm gonna return the that. And I might as well just get a better air filter. So I'm probably gonna go back, return this, and might as well just do a filter change. Cause just, you know, I'm already getting a change. Might as well just kind of feel like a brand new car. But not quite brand new. I still gotta do the diff bushings, which costed me, they said they cost $2,000 to change. Cause I mean, honestly, I understand why it would cost this much. Cause I just have to check if my mic is plugged in. I know why it would cost so much, because they have to put down the whole diff and do everything like that, and it's a headache. The piece itself was like $600. So that's probably gonna be in like next month. I'm gonna do the diff bushings, and then there's a new car coming in soon, y'all. In 2026, there's a new car coming in, and it's gonna be crazy. This shit looks so sexy, but not gonna lie, it do need a wash. So we just finished right here. We're just gonna go pay, and you just reset the light because it was on past 1,400 miles. So once you do that, I'm gonna go inside, pay for everything, then head back to AutoZone, return the stuff that I didn't need, then probably give me a new oil filter. So this is gonna run so smooth. So let's see if they're gonna be taking these. I doubt they're gonna actually take these, but I hope they do, because if they do, I'm gonna just get an oil filter. I'm gonna air filter, just, you know, just to change it up, get my car better breathing and everything. I'm trying to see, because I know there are different ones. I have one in mind. I hope they have it, because that's gonna be the one I'm gonna be getting for this car. But I hope they do, because it was like a bundle, so they might or might not make me, you know, return it, but you know, worth a shot, so might as well. So none of these are the one I'm actually looking for. There's like a specific brand I'm looking for, because I heard STP is like one of the worst brands you can get. Yeah, so it might be no-go for AutoZone out here. But one thing I am looking for is something to clear my rims, because my rims get filthy fast. So I need something that would clean from like everything. And plus I also do need one more thing. Bro, imagine putting this on your car. Just a shitty ass intake on your car. That shit would like blow the next day. Out here in Cali, if you get caught like having an intake, you get state refed. Basically, where you have to go to state ref emissions, whatever it's called, and pay $5,000 and put your car back to stock. So if it's not a good intake, like $1,000 intake, the one I'm looking for, it's like titanium all around. then and I'm gonna get copyrighted probably for this. But yeah, let me catch you guys outside. Really couldn't really record much in there because there was music blasting. I'm not really trying to get copyrighted for this video, but it turned out they don't have the intake that I'm looking at. They have only SCP, other like random brands, but I'm looking for a specific one for, you know, performance wise. I've seen one on, I don't know which website it was, FCP Euro. Yeah, that's the website. I've seen that on that website, but look, this stuff's so sexy. And it was like $80, so I think I might just go cop it. Might as well just do that. But in the meantime, I'm probably gonna go home, clean my rims, and everything will be good. Bro, it literally starts so faster now. I don't know if it's just like placebo effect, but it feels like it drives so smooth and it takes off so smooth. I'm not even joking, this actually feels so crazy, bro. Bro, it feels like a whole new car. I don't know if I'm like placebo effect, but bro, this actually feels like a whole brand new car. Like, it doesn't feel like I'm driving I don't know what to say. It actually feels like it takes off, it's faster, it's smoother, everything. Yeah, I think it might be a placebo effect. It feels faster, but I don't think it is faster. But it does take off faster now. Maybe because it was due 1,400 miles ago. This drives so different, like it's actually insane the way it drives. Like, it feels like whenever I gas it, it responds so much faster. It responds so much faster, it feels better. It's better in general. Like, I gas it, it feels good. Okay. That's why I hate 2 lanes. But I'm gonna be basically talking about like how, like, what's the difference, like how did it feel, like is it different, like getting the whole oil change. And since it's been overdue since 1,400 miles, you know, I can tell you guys that there is really a big difference whenever I change the oil. Like, it felt like whenever I gas it, like it actually takes off. Like whenever I had the old oil, like it kind of felt a little delayed, a little choppy. But this one, I can literally just, like, it goes. Like, it goes. And the other thing I'm gonna do next, I need to do diff bushings. I finally found somebody that can do them for me for pretty low, not as much, for like, cause the other place he said, oh, 2,700, and this guy told me, oh, I can do it for 600, and I know a lot of people went to that guy, so I know he's not like just any BS, you know what I mean? But honestly, this is a 10 out of 10 experience. Like, that's like peak. I'm not even joking. Getting your oil change done is literally so peak. It feels so much better. It's just better for the engine in general. But one thing that I was really scared of is, I don't know where the hell I'm headed. But one thing that I was scared of is having metal fragments in my oil, because that's basically your engine's cooked right there. That's something I wasn't like really looking forward to. Let me just do a quick clock in real quick. Like, I don't know if you got to hear that sound in the back. Oh, I always wanted to know where this leads. Yeah, so like I said, one thing that I need to do next is it gotta be I can't even see what's in front of me. One thing that I gotta do is diff bushing. So that's definitely a need, because 99% of F80 owners that I know, they say, oh, diff bushings really like help change a bunch of stuff. And that's what I was like, damn, that might be like damn near a whole new car, you know what I mean? So that's definitely a next mod on the list, is diff bushings. Then of course, you know, you got crank hub, you got a bunch of other stuff that this car is gonna get eventually. Not right now. I'm still like working on stuff, trying to make more money so I can get mods modded out. But definitely another mod that I need to do is icons. I need them icons. Icons are like, I'm telling, like, even though I'm in love with these lights, the pre-LCIs, but the LCIs look so tough, bro. I genuinely need them. plus they look better on thumbnails. Like you can like see the whole outline of it, and that's what I need. But if you guys made it this far, I want to say thank you guys for watching this video, and it's your boy Dextro, and I'm out. Let me give y'all one last pull. I wouldn't count that as a pull. I would count that as a jackass move. That's not no pull. That's like called being like, oh, I'm a jackass for that, low key. I need like, I don't even cut up anymore. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, it's so stupid. Cause bro, let me tell you why cutting up is not the smartest option. Like, I was cutting up, like I was hella ahead, like actually cutting up, you know, gassing it, going over the speed limit in GTA, and I still managed to be at the same stoplight as a person that I cut off a hella, like, you know what I mean? It's just, you save 5 minutes, but you could, you know, K yourself, you know what I mean? You guys gotta be careful. Cutting up is nothing cool, you know? But I mean, I get it. I love the back roads. That's why I don't even go on the highway on the way to work. Like, it's faster on the highway, but I love the back roads so much. I love just going into like corners, taking them over, you know, a good enough speed to, you know. Yeah, I'm not gonna say anything. But bro, it's so annoying. Like, goddamn, turn green. I need better thumbnails. These thumbnails, oh my god, I'm actually so stupid. I went on the highway. Look at all that traffic. Why did I even go out of my way to finish this video out? Oh well, you know, I'll just wait in traffic, or just spend my whole hours out there waiting till it ends. But yeah, man, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And it's your boy official Dextro 04, and I'm out.